Here we are for sale our November 2024 on a 74 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is the 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine, producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. And this is the L2 long wheelbase limited panel van, finished in metallic magnetic grey with a fantastic styling kit on it. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll talk you through all of the nice styling elements which have been added to it and what we've done to it during our preparation in readiness for sale, seeing as it's currently for sale here with us at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour, which in this case is metallic magnetic grey, and that includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, wing mirrors, all come colour coded, as I say in this case, in metallic grey. Now then, body styling which has been added to this van. At the top of the rear doors you can see that we have got a very nice gloss black rear spoiler there, really nice sporty spoiler which has been added to the top of the rear doors. Low down then there is a full low line aero kit that has been added to this. So we have got the little rear diffuser there, we've got the side skirts around to the front, there's a little spoiler splitter there, should I say. That is all part of this low line kit, which looks really nice, and I say that's all in gloss black. There's also a very nice set of Caliber CV3 alloy wheels, again in gloss black, which ties in very nicely with everything else. The badging is all in gloss black, so the Transit Custom badging, the light surrounds, I say some nice gloss black elements on the van already, so I think adding those extra bits on, it really does accent it very, very nicely. The Limited also comes with rear parking sensors. You can see those nicely integrated there into the rear bumper, and at the back you also get a reversing camera as well, so a couple of really nice reversing aids just there. In terms of condition here then, looking absolutely fantastic at the back. There's really not much to fault on this, looking very, very clean and tidy indeed. Opening up the rear doors then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So this one being a long wheelbase, you have got plenty of space in the back of here. Looking really, really smart indeed. Opening these doors right out, there's a sort of a 2-stage hinge on these Transit Customs, so with a bit of force, so they will, as a default, they'll go to a 90-degree setting like this, a bit of a push, and it'll open them right out to a full 180-degree position like so. Inside then, there's plenty of space in here, but brand new ply lining as well. So we do this on the vast majority of vans that come into stock with us. The ply liner does a fantastic job, as you can see here, nicely silicone sealing everything in around the outside. The correct placement of the toolkit just here, but again, just paying close attention to the condition, having a look at the exposed painted areas, the bulkhead. Yes, it is looking very, very smart indeed in the back of here. Nice hard-wearing plastic tray in the back, which is what these come with as standard. And you can see there's plenty of tie-down points dotted around in the back of the van as well, just to make life nice and easy in there, so you can tie cargo down. LED load lights, and there's also a little switch down here on the right-hand side, which allows you to toggle those backlights on and off manually. If we shut the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. As I say, there's really not much to fault here in terms of condition. It is looking absolutely spot on, to be honest with you. I guess as you would expect with only 5,000 miles on this van. But having a look here down the passenger side, again, looking very nice indeed. You can always quickly tell, sort of a bit of a side tip here, but you can always quickly tell the difference between a short and a long wheelbase, and it is this panel here. So on a short wheelbase, this side loading door will be quite close up here to the rear wheel arch. So as you've got this extra about 400 millimeters of space there in the back of the van. So all that extra space is in the back. The cab is all exactly the same size, but it's all the extra space is in the back, and that is, as I say, is where you get the benefit, as you can see there. Having a look at the bulkhead then, a close look here, you can just see again in really, really nice condition there. You've got the load through hatch as well, so you can load through right the way through underneath the passenger seats. You'll see these little dimples on the door handles. That tells us that we have got keyless entry and keyless start on the vehicle. So you've got the keys in your pocket, you can just walk up to put your hand behind the door handle like so, and it will unlock that door for you. Gives it a really nice modern feel to the van, it must be said. Inside then, having a look here at the step and the floor, the seats, it is in brilliant condition inside here. You can see underneath the passenger seats even. I always mention that on these videos, just under the seats here is just a testament to the attention to detail that our guys go to when preparing the vans. There is no stone left unturned. It is absolutely fantastic inside here, no issues at all. If they were all like this, it would make our life very easy, I'll be honest with you. Very, very nice and clean and tidy, this van. We've got a nice set of roof bars just there. I say these alloy wheels, so Caliber CV3 alloy wheel. We're becoming big fans of these. I think they look very, very smart indeed on the van. It's a really nice modern looking wheel with a combination of almost like an off-road look, not too much of a low profile tyre. I think it looks really very nice indeed and ties in very well with the rest of the styling. So again, part of the lowline kit, we've got these nice gloss black canards there around the front air intakes, the front splitter along the bottom, and we also change the front grille as well, so you can see a full gloss black honeycomb grille there, which does look very, very smart indeed. The headlights on these, you got a nice LED daytime running light here at the top, forward LED light unit on the Limited, and it's looking absolutely fantastic. Just trying to look for any stone chips or anything like that to the bonnet, but it's all looking very clean and tidy. You will find maybe the odd 1 or 2 stone chips, as you would with any used vehicle, but generally speaking, there's a tiny little mark just here, I can see, just next to that parking sensor, tiny little mark just there. But that is really, we're going looking for things there. But yeah, as you can see there, very nice and clean and straight there down the driver's side of the vehicle. So inside here then, again, just paying close attention to condition of the floor, the step, the driver's seat. It's all, yeah, absolutely perfect. We've got the electric windows, electric folding mirrors. So you can fold those manually. You can also set it so that they auto fold when you lock the vehicle as well. So push button to start there, and you've got this brilliant screen up here in front of you. You can do automatic updates on here, as you can see there. Inside then, this, I say, over 11-inch display in the center here. You've got DAB radio on here. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. If you put the vehicle into reverse, you've got a really nice clear reverse camera just there, which I think is a big improvement on the previous model. Down the bottom then, you've got things like your heated seats, heated windscreen, heated wing mirrors, all of that nice and modern there along the bottom of the screen. You do have some manual controls just here, so you've got volume and things like that on a nice dial there, and you can quickly sort of do maximum defrost on your windscreen as well, just on a couple of manual buttons. Electronic handbrake there in the center, which, you know, does fly off automatically. So if you put the vehicle into first, you've got to have your seatbelt on. It will just go off automatically, so you don't need to be pressing that all the time. But when you get used to that, very easy to use. 6-speed manual gearbox to go along that 150 PS diesel engine in this van, so that is an upgrade. Most of these that we see or have had into stock so far have been 136 PS, so this one being a 150 is a very nice upgrade indeed. We've got this nice virtual dashboard here in front of us, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. You can see it's all idling correctly there. 5,543 miles is all that this van has covered. We've got your cruise control on the left hand side, onboard computer controls on the right hand side. Of course, you've got auto wipers, auto lights. There's a USB and a USB-C under here and a 12-volt socket, and the all-important hidden cup holder just there as well. Now, as I mentioned right at the start of the video, this is a November 2024 on a 74 plate, which tells us that we have got manufacturer's warranty with this van until November 2027, so plenty of time left on that. Fantastic condition. During our preparation, we have put this van right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care, which are all part of the same group of companies that Bridgend Van Centre is part of. We have gone right through it, given it a service, so that is all fresh and ready to go, along with a full multi-point health check. So yeah, no issues with the van. It is absolutely ready to drive away straight away with a fresh service. And as I say, you've got that balance of manufacturer's warranty as well for peace of mind, for plenty of time left to come, as I say, until November 2027. But yeah, these are very hard to get at the moment in long wheelbase, especially being a 150 with this sort of mileage. So I think a very, very appealing proposition indeed. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got in stock. At the time of recording, this is the only long wheelbase new shape custom we've got. We've got about 6 or 7 short wheelbase. It's the only long wheelbase that we've got at the time of recording. Of course, that changes daily, but if you are interested, by all means get in touch. We can deliver our vans nationwide, so if you're not local to us, that's no problem at all. We can arrange delivery to you. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.